Hi, Nine. Hey, I need your help. I have been looking for walnuts in this cabinet. I can't find them. They're not in their usual spot. I was wondering if you could help me.
Sure.
They're usually here.
Yep, scan down. Scan up. A little bit more. Oh, there's a bag up there, Tracy, on the top shelf. I can get that.
Oh, okay. This feels like them. Thanks, Nine.
You're very welcome.
All right, talk to you later. Bye.
Okay, bye. One finger swipe down again. Colin and Nina.
This is one of my favorite features of the Envision glasses is being able to get assistance looking for things or finding things when I need to. Hands-free. It's a wonderful way when things just aren't as organized as you'd like. Thanks for watching.